Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So lately what I've been up to is a lot of gardening. I've been enjoying the spring flowers coming up in my garden. I have kind of a messy cottage garden look. I don't like things too manicured, so it's just watching the bulbs come up. The peonies are up now, and also the edibles. So strawberries and blueberries. I have a couple little clips I can show you for that. And yeah, and I have gourds that are ready to go in. I'll show you that too. Yeah, I've been pouring myself into some big gourds that I plan on entering in the competition for the Pennsylvania Gourd Society. So I can't show them just yet. I did manage to film this little guy. This is a little harbor seal gourd, and I finished that in a couple of days. So I did film some of that for you to see, and I'll roll that now. And this is where they'll be planted. We have the irrigation hoses set up, but first there's going to be some weeding to be done. There are a lot of weeds in this area that needs to be pulled out. And I still have my gourds that I grew last year that need to be cleaned. They are ready, they're all dry, and some of them are a little thin. This one, you can see a mouse got into this one, and it's so thin I can break it with my hand, so it wouldn't have been any good for crafting or making any artwork with it. And some of these, I don't know, they do sound a little thin. That sounds pretty thin. So we'll see if I get any that are good enough to use. I'll be very, very happy, but I don't know. They seem a little thin. So I have some egg gourds going in. And let's see, this one I think is a Peruvian sugar bowl. There we go. All the gourds are planted now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I just wanted to connect and say hello, and I hope you are doing okay, and I will see you in the next video. Happy gourding.